Good afternoon. Husband. Hi. Say hi. Look at me. Uy. Look at me. Say hi. Our UV Express got flooded. That's why we just hanging around beside the road for a bit. We're going to change the tire, guys. There's a rice field over there. Starting again for the new rice harvest. Preparing for the planting rice.